need 2 to 3 months before they say if I will live or I will die. I was close to death 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I was having visions of war already. They say I was delirious. They say I was insane. I had many mental exams. So ito po, this is what you do. You have cancer patient. You have to try and try, get the best doctor, get the best diagnosis wherever in the world, US, UK, wherever you go. Nahihiya, I'm just ashamed. You know why? Because I'm lucky to have some money and people supporting me. You know my medicines, how expensive? I'm taking meropenem, carbapenems, one of the highest antibiotics. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. I'm sorry.